Welcome back everyone. In today's video we are going to create a simple but powerful to-do list app using Zoho Creator. Whether you are new to Zoho Creator or looking to enhance your app building skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's get started. Here we are in Zoho Creator. Let's create a new form with the name of to-do list. Task name and second field will be the due date. Add a drop down with the priority and set to high, medium, and last one will be the low, and the last one will be the status drop down. So pending and the complete. Okay, that's it, done. Here is our to-do list form. Now let's add some automation by using Deluge scripting. We will create a workflow to automatically set the status to pending of a new to-do list task. So let's jump to the developer side of this application to add a workflow. New workflow, to-do list, creative, status. Set the status to pending of a new added task. Input dot status equal to pending. Let's save it. Let's say task name will be the A and the date will be the 25th of November and priority will be high, and keep the status unselected and submit, and let's see, and you can see that pending status is automatically updated. Here is the report side of our to-do list. When we add any task, this will be add here, and we can see that here, and we can add any customization depending on the priority, status, or task name, each and everything. So let's add some customization in it. So jump to the developer side of this application and add some customization. And let's say if our priority is high, this will be show us red, and if our status is this show the in green color. Save it and jump to our application. You can see that priority is high and color is red. Let's add another task. And it is completed. Yes, you can see that the completed is in green color. I hope you like my video. If you like it, kindly subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.